I'm Artie Maupin, and I am on the BD race team. I've been a part of it for 5 or 6 years now. The truck is a 2004 and a half with a 6.7 liter Cummins power plant. The truck is completely fiberglass. The bed sides, the front clip, all the doors. The only steel left on it is the cab. And I race this in the 670 index class. On this truck, I run everything that BD has to offer. If it fits this truck and fits with what we're trying to do, I utilize it. And in that, some of my favorite pieces on this are the Trackmaster trans, the full roller trans that's behind it, and also the turbocharger that they've supplied me. As someone who races a lot, you want parts that are dependable, you want quality, and you want customer support. With BD, I've had that for my entire career with them, and that's why I've chose to be so loyal to them, is because they've always had my back from the beginning. I started drag racing at a very young age in a junior dragster, and it hooked me, and ever since then I just can't get enough of it. I will get in any vehicle I can and race in any class that is available. It's not really about the speed, it's just like the adrenaline rush of all the pressure's on you to perform, and it's cool to go out and represent the companies that support me, and I just can't get enough of it. Race day for me, it's a little nerve-wracking at first. Things don't start settling down until probably after first round. You get that first monkey off your back, everything starts to kind of smooth out and have some fun. Running an operation like this takes support, and outside of BD and the other great companies that are here, my partner in crime, Emilia, is always here to make sure that I'm always taken care of, make sure I remember everything that I'm supposed to remember, and without her this would be impossible to do. The future is bright in this camp. Things are looking up, we're making headway, we're placing high in the ranks. Planning on hitting the Shy Diesel Extravaganza, the Rocky Top Diesel Shootout, and many more. So be sure to be there and watch all of us race. It's the best racing in the entire industry. And I just want to say thanks to BD for always being there. It takes a special company to do what they do for us out here. And anybody that is wanting to get into racing and looking for similar support, don't hesitate to reach out to them. They will have your back with people that know what they're doing and parts that you can trust.